Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use the Etsy seller app to manage personalization request. So managing personalization request on the Etsy seller app allows you to review customer details directly on your mobile device to process order quickly. So what you can do to manage personalization request is open the Etsy seller app first and then go to You tab, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now go to your purchases, which will show you the list of orders here. After you get the list of orders, find the order which will be marked with personalization details if they entered them. Now click on the specific order. You will see the customer's personalization instructions listed directly on the order receipt. Now make sure that you read the entire message, as sometimes long notes can be partially cut off in the app's summary view. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. See you in my next video.